Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Qwen API for free and without needing a credit card. Unlike the standard API, this method requires no credit card. It also supports reasoning, coding, and multilingual tasks. Step 1. Search for the free LLM API gateway and click Access Gateway. Step 2. Sign up using just your email and a password. No verification is needed. Step 3. Once signed in, locate the OpenAI-compatible gateway baseline in the dashboard. Next, select the model Qwen 3.6 Plus, which is free to use. Step 4. Locate and copy your base URL from the Settings section. Step 5. Navigate to the API Keys section and click Generate Key. Step 6. Copy your new API key and make sure to store it securely. Step 7. Open your local code editor and click the Settings icon. Step 8. Go to Providers, select Custom Provider and click Connect. Step 9. Paste the base URL you copied earlier into the designated field. Step 10. Paste your copied API key into the API key field. Step 11. Enter the model ID Qwen 3.6 and click Submit to finalize the connection. Success! Your free Qwen 3.6 API is now connected and ready to generate code.